It's very funny for myself. I normally go to school 4 days a week, Monday to Thursday, and Monday and Wednesday I have class in Dover. I am attending at Delaware Tech right now. I study 2 campuses, one in Dover and one in Stanton. In Stanton, it's just only 15 minutes from, not 15 minutes, like 10 minutes from my home. And in Dover, it takes about 1.5 hours. And on Wednesday and, or not, Monday and Wednesday, normally I need to get up at 6 o'clock because my class starts at 8:30. And on Friday, the last Friday, because in my mind keep thinking about my homework, my illustration, my history of graphic design, my history of art, and I have to create something in my head about homework. And then on Friday I got up and I looked at the clock. The time was 7:30, and I very how to say, it's nervous. It's like, oh, I didn't set alarm clock, and 7:30 is was late because I need to 2 hours for prepare myself, and then I supposed to be leave home at 7 or 7:15, but 7:30 just get up. I cannot make it. And then I got up, just sit on the bed, and then I thought to myself, why I didn't set alarm clock? It's too late. I cannot go to school now. And then I rethink again. It's today Friday. I don't have the class on Friday, so I went back to sleep. It's too much thought. Okay. That was my story. I try to think about the word in English. I cannot think about, like, when you feel really exciting and nervous, and like you thought you forget to do these, like you thought I thought I forgot to set alarm clock, and then it's end up I got up late. Want to join my brunch? Is close time to supper. I just have my first meal. It's Thai tom yum. In here, normally I'm not good cooking at all, but I just add anything I thought. Sometimes my food is good to eat, sometimes not, just throw them. And this tom yum is easy because I use the instant chili paste. Just go to the market, Asian market or Mexican market. They will have tom yum paste. You can use that, add in water, and then I add anything that I want to eat, such as mushroom, onion, and meat, whatever kind of you want. You want pork, fish, beef, chicken, anything. Just that, and leave it. And if you want to add more spice, you can add smash chili in it. Okay, bye.